From building houses on Earth to printing structures for the moon. From life-saving organs to self-healing bridges. 3D printing is no longer the future, it's the now. In this video, we'll explore the most insane breakthroughs in 3D printing technology as of 2025. Buckle up. What you're about to see is next level. Imagine printing your entire house like it's a PDF. In Qatar, that's reality. 2 full schools are being 3D printed using Cobod's massive construction printers. And in Texas, Icon is building an entire 100-home neighborhood using robotic arms and quick-drying concrete. And here's the wild part. These homes are cheaper, faster to build, and more resilient than traditional ones. They're even being considered for NASA's lunar base plans. Think 3D printing is just plastic toys? Think again. In 2025, the game is carbon fiber composites, metal alloys, conductive inks, and even ceramics. That means you can print a drone frame, its circuits, and the casing all in one go. Even crazier? Multi-material printers can switch between textures and functions 50 times per second. 1 minute, it's flexible rubber, the next, rigid steel. AI is changing everything, and 3D printing is no exception. Printers now optimize designs, detect flaws before printing, and even choose the best material based on the final use. That means less waste, faster output, and nearly zero human error. Smart 3D printing farms are popping up, running 24/7, connected by IoT, monitored in real time from anywhere in the world. In India, AIMS Bhopal is printing custom kidneys and surgical guides to reduce surgery times and save lives. But that's just scratching the surface. Researchers are now printing bioinks made of living cells. While we're not printing full organs yet, skin grafts, cartilage, and even early liver tissue are already real, and they're growing in labs around the world. The battlefield just got smarter. The U.S. Army now uses portable 3D printers to produce drone parts, weapon components, and even shelter modules right on site. Companies like Ultimaker are developing defense-grade units that meet NATO standards. Think of it like a mini factory in a box. 2025 is also about eco-printing. Bioplastics made from cornstarch, recycled filament from ocean plastic, and closed-loop printers are making the process greener than ever. Companies are even printing support structures that dissolve in water, leaving behind clean, functional parts. We're witnessing the dawn of a new industrial age, where factories fit on desks, organs grow on demand, and homes are printed like newspaper headlines. If this is 2025, just imagine 2030. Hit that like button, subscribe, and tell us in the comments, what would you print if you could print anything? See you in the future.